I am back on Boston Common yet again, and in behind me here is the memorial to the Declaration of Independence. If you've ever lived in a rented property and you've had a grumpy landlord, maybe they'd say you can't have a pet, or you can't put pictures on the wall, or you can't decorate the place and make it your own. Then all you can do is check your contract and see what your rights are, what you've signed up to and agreed to. That's exactly what happened here, because the people of Boston and Massachusetts had a charter from 1691, which had been issued by William and Mary, the joint monarchs following the Glorious Revolution. John Adams of the Tea Party was a legal man, and he regarded that charter as the sacred guarantee of the liberties of Massachusetts. But following the Tea Party, the government withdrew the charter and suspended the liberties of the people here. John Adams was aware of William's 1689 Bill of Rights, and prior to that, his 1688 Declaration, something that people at home hardly even know ever existed. William's opening lines in his 1688 Declaration included that it was evident that people needed peace, happiness, law, liberty and customs. Fast forward to 1776 here. The Declaration of Independence opens with the very similar, very famous lines that we hold these truths to be self-evident. Life, liberty and the pursuit of happiness. There are other words in it, of course, as well, drafted by a group of 5. Now, I'm going to try to walk backwards here and not kill myself, so bear with me as I do that, because I want you to see the detail here. This is the very famous scene of the Declaration draft being handed over by the Committee of 5 to the Secretary of the Continental Congress. The Committee of 5 included a man called Robert R. Livingston. He was a grandson of the Minister of Colinchie. The man behind the table they're handing it to is Charles Thompson, the Secretary of the Continental Congress, who had been born in Upperlands in County Londonderry. With it approved, Charles Thompson took it across the street to a printer called John Dunlap, who had been born in Strabane. The Declaration of Independence was announced. There was no turning back. Game on.